Welcome, everyone. Today, I'm incredibly excited to take you through something that's completely changed the way I approach software quality. This isn't just a productivity gimmick. This is ChatGPT for QA and QE, done right, and everything we'll cover is practical, battle-tested, and ready to elevate your testing game. Let's dive into 14 professional-grade ChatGPT features that can supercharge how you test, automate, and lead. Start with a core skill, prompt engineering. Think of prompts as the programming language for ChatGPT. Precise prompts equal precise results. As QA or QE professionals, this means asking the right thing in the right way, like generate 20 edge case scenarios for this API as a senior test architect. One pro tip I swear by: use the formula role plus task plus scope plus format. This is the key that turns ChatGPT into your test design partner. Are you tired of re-explaining your tech stack every chat? This is the fix for that. Custom instructions in your profile is a ChatGPT feature that let you set your preferences once and use it happily after. ChatGPT then remembers it for every conversation. For example, tell it you're an API test lead using Python and Postman. Define your tone, then save. And just like that, your conversations stay consistent and context-aware. Of course, every conversation can be customized or tweaked individually as needed.
Let's look at memory toggle in setting now. This is where ChatGPT evolves from a tool into a teammate. With memory, it learns what matters to you, your team setup, tools you use, past chats. Let's say that you want it to remember your regression workflow. Just say in chat, remember that our stack uses Selenium and Playwright. ChatGPT then can keep this in mind till you no longer need it. And when that happens, toggle memory off or ask it to forget. For sensitive or random work, temporary chat would be the best fit. Now let's bring in the power of integration. In short, plugins let ChatGPT talk to external tools. Think CI dashboards, Jira, or your documentation repos. You can explore and install the plugins from the plugin store, authorize access, and you can easily fetch test coverage, create reports, or even pull API logs, all inside one conversation. Now that is real-time quality collaboration.
Quality and testing means a lot of data. For any QE doing metrics analysis, the code interpreter mode is your friend. In order to use this mode, the advanced data analysis setting should be enabled. Then, the code interpreter mode lets you upload test results, logs, or coverage CSVs and generate insights instantly. I use it regularly to plot defect trends and calculate MTTR, and etc. For example, just upload your file and ask ChatGPT to analyze and visualize it. No need to open Excel again. Cool, isn't it? Let's talk about visuals now. Whether you want to compare images or validate a single one, just drag and drop some UI screenshot into ChatGPT, and it will do the task for you, such as highlight missing labels, recommend alt text, or even generate a defect report. You name it. And if you need a UML diagram or architecture sketch, just describe it and let ChatGPT generate it. This is super helpful during cross-functional reviews or something like onboarding sessions.
And have you heard agent? Here's where it gets really exciting. For now, you will need GPT-4 Turbo with agents to explore. For example, you can create autonomous ChatGPT bots to take care of some ongoing repetitive tasks. You set it up once, and they work for you over time. You can assign an agent to monitor Jenkins for failures, or pull weekly metrics. This gives you real AI delegation. Have you ever needed a specific RFC or a browser edge case update? With Browsing Tool enabled, ChatGPT becomes your live research assistant. Note, using Browsing Tool is the way that ChatGPT can access and get you the up-to-date information. Ask your question directly, and it fetches results with links to the sources. That's how we can save hours and hours every sprint. If you are not familiar with function calling in ChatGPT, it is time to look into it. Function calling lets ChatGPT interact with APIs, predictably and programmatically. It can return structured JSON that can be parsed or visualized right away. Enable functions and define API schema in System Prompt. The ChatGPT can invoke the function and complete tasks. For example, ChatGPT can utilize functions to access test results from your dashboards.
There are times that our hands get all full. ChatGPT voice mode is your friend who can keep you going. Speak into ChatGPT, and it surely responds. This feature is perfect when you're juggling priorities or reviewing reports on the go. ChatGPT has many handy and helpful features these days. Sharing link is one of them. Use this feature when you are done with a great ChatGPT session. Share the work by clicking Share, copy the link, and send it to your team. No more screenshots or Slack copy-pasting.
Sometime, auditing trails or backups of your test design conversations can be necessary. If you ever need it, use the Export from Data Control in Settings to get your entire chat history, memory entries, and files from ChatGPT as a zip file via email. Honestly, I actually export weekly just to stay organized. We have walked through a lot. If you want to explore further and want ChatGPT to be more creative or more precise, look into tweaking the temperature and token limits. For example, lower temps give reliable outputs, perfect for test specs.
So there you have it. 14 powerful ChatGPT features that go beyond just conversation. They automate, accelerate, and elevate QA and QE. Combine your domain knowledge with these tools, and you will become unstoppable. Whether you're writing tests, designing frameworks, or tracking quality KPIs. And if you want a platform that brings all of this together in your CI/CD pipeline, check out Omniate.ai. We're building the intelligent future of quality engineering. Thanks for joining me today. Now go make ChatGPT your co-engineer in quality.